What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your girl me back with another video, and I'm just gonna get straight into it. So right here is alcohol wipe. I do not have cotton balls, and I do have cotton balls. I do not have alcohol to put on my cotton balls, and I'm just gonna take that and wipe my eyebrows off. I'm trying to take any products, any oil, anything on my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna take that cotton ball and wipe it dry, and I'm gonna also put some moisturizer on my eyebrows, so you know it can be like an easier process. I just like to do that, don't know why. So after combing my eyebrows, I am going to start shaving them, and be very careful and know your eyebrows before you do this, because if you don't, it'll get really weird really quick. I am going to lightly shave the hair under my eyebrows into the shape that I want it to, and I'm going to take a little bit off at a time, because it's better to take a little bit than too much, and I'm just going to keep on doing this the entire time. And you will see me in this video like take a little step back or move back a little bit just to see how it's coming out. So I know that you see me on my other eyebrow, but trust and believe I'm not done with my right one yet. However, I have to go back and forth to get the desired look, because my eyebrows are shaped so weird. I can't, you know, we just can't do one eyebrow at a time, okay? So what I'm doing now is I have my razor at an angle, and that's because I'm trying to create the shape that I want. And I am going to go back under my eyebrow, and I'm just going to pull my skin up so I can shave it a little bit better, or razor it a little bit better. And like I said before, I am going to do a little bit at a time so I don't do too much, and I'm just going to keep going back and forth. So the razor part of this video is only to really shape my eyebrows and get, you know, most of the hair around my eyebrows out of the way, and then I'm going to tweeze and I'm going to cut, and I'm just going to do the other stuff later on in this video. So looking back on this video, I do wish I would have cut a little bit off the right eyebrow at the beginning, because it looks a little bit weird, but it ends up working out at the end. Now I'm just gonna tweeze a little bit. So I actually like my eyebrows to be on a thinner side. I don't know why, I just feel like I look better like that. And I am just gonna tweeze my eyebrows till I get the desired look. You will see me pluck my eyebrows in different ways, mainly because I do not know how to pluck my eyebrows. This is actually my first time doing my eyebrows myself. I've always just got them done, I'll just let them grow. Yeah. After combing my eyebrow hairs again, I am just going to cut the remaining of it, and that's just to, you know, I don't know, I don't even know what to call it. I just want to make it nice. Like that's it. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys like this video. Please comment, subscribe, share, and like this video. Let me know how I did down below, please, because I don't know, I struggled with this video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.